All right, our method number 7 is called difference and sum of two cubes. So instead of squares, we're now working with cubes. And because they're cubes, I can have subtraction or addition. Okay? All right, because it's cubes, I can have subtraction or addition. And that's why it's, I don't know how to DOTC and SOTC. I don't know how to pronounce that any other way. Dots and thoughts. I don't know. Dots. You get it. All right. How it works is, so it's a formula for this one. So instead of it's a pattern that you're following, it's a formula. Okay. When you are doing sum or difference of cubes, you are focused on the cube root, taking the cube root to find your A and your B. Okay. So for example, the cube root of 8x cubed is 2x. That's my A. Does that make sense? The cube root of 1 is 1, and that's my B. And now I'm just plugging them into the formula. So it becomes A plus B, that's my binomial, times A squared minus A times B plus B squared. Okay? Okay. No, come on. All right. No, there's no tomorrow. Here we go. So again, all you're doing is taking the cube root and plugging into the formula. It is a formula.
Okay, so
okay.
We're doing A plus, so A would be 2x plus 1, and then A 2, so it would be 4x. Oh, okay.
Yes. All right, let's do it from scratch. Ready? All right, first thing first, anytime you're factoring, you should always check for GCF. Is there a GCF here? Nope, there isn't, so we're good to go. All right, we're going to find our A. Your A equals the cube root of your first term. What is the cube root of x cubed?
Wait,
X, no. Your B equals the cube root of your second term. What number times itself 3 times gives me 27?
No,
3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Sure. All right, now you have your A and your B, and you're just plugging it into the formula. Okay, so here we go. It says A plus B, so X plus 3. Are we okay with the binomial? Okay, now it's going to be A squared minus A times B plus B squared. So A squared is X squared minus A, which is X, times B, which is 3, plus 3 squared.
Why did you know?
A plus, because it's plus X cubed plus 27.
Okay, so basically we're...
Okay, and then we clean it up. So we have X plus 3 times X squared minus 3X plus 9.
My brain is hurting.
I'm not sure how or why your brain is hurting.
I see what you're doing, but yeah, it's like way right. Like I think if I worked through it, I would be able to.
I think that makes sense.
Well, that's what examples do.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. That's all that difference in sum of cubes is. Finding the cube root, plugging into the formula. Finding the cube root, plugging into the formula. Yes. Okay. We will recall and refresh on Monday, and then we're going to move on to 3.2D. Okay. All right.
Can I turn in that A and B assignment during?
You're going to turn it in late?
Yeah.
Okay.